Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's recipe, minced beef or ground beef. So today I will share with you how you can easily make this recipe at home in under 10 minutes. Absolutely delicious and easily done. So my friend, let's jump right into the recipe. So my friend, for this recipe, you're going to need a pound and a half of minced beef or ground beef. For seasoning, black pepper, chili powder, and also sazon complete seasoning. For added taste, chopped garlic. So my friend, on this channel, I bring you guys some of Caribbean most delicious recipe, which you can easily put together in under 10 minutes. As always, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more easy video recipe. So after marinating, definitely want to go ahead and set it aside for 15 minutes. Next, in a boiling pot of water, I'll go ahead and boil my pasta for a few minutes. So my friend, to begin cooking my minced beef, in a heated pot, you want to go ahead with a bit of oil and also chopped garlic. And stir fry for a few seconds. After a few seconds, I will go ahead and add my minced beef and stir fry it until fully cooked. So my friend, this looks amazing. Next, I will go ahead and add some fresh chopped veggies and start fry it for a few minutes. So my friend, for taste and flavor, tomato puree. So my friend, this looks absolutely delicious. Next, I will go ahead and add my boiled pasta and stir fry for a few minutes. So my friend, this looks amazing. At this point, we're all done. I hope you give this recipe a try and also subscribe for more easy video recipe. Thanks so much for watching Minced Beef Recipe.